welcome back to my channel. This video is going to talk about all the different types of shots in badminton that you can learn, but I'm just going to go through the really basic stuff. I'm not going to go through more advanced stuff because it can get confusing and it's always better to just keep it simple. So before making this video, I watched a lot of different types of badminton videos, doing trick shots, reverse slices, tricky backhand, deceptive shots. I'll admit it is pretty cool to see those types of shots and be able to do them, but it's kind of like trying to run before you've even learned how to walk. So it's important to be able to do all the basic shots first before you get to the more advanced, spicy stuff.
Oh, unbelievable. Oh.
Points. That's
Beautifully stranded. Such was the disguise. Look at this. Hold flick.
Full disclaimer, I am not a professional coach, but I've been playing for a while, and one thing I do know about being able to get results and improve is that you have to know the basics really well. It might be boring, but it's exactly like playing a video game where you have to complete the first level before getting to the next level. Okay, so before I go through all the different types of shots, what you have to understand is that there's three sections of the court. So there's a front court, there's a mid court, and there's a back court area. In each of these three sections, there's different types of shots that you can play. So let's start with the front court, which is where I personally love to play. So when you're at the front of the court, there's three different levels of the net where your racket would move to. The first level is above the net, and that's where we hit net kills or tap shots or even push shots. We use net kills and tap shots when we're able to get there really fast and the shuttle is still above the net. So the best thing to do in that situation is to tap it down, and that'll make the shuttle go at a really steep angle, which is a really good offensive shot.
From the start, it's how you finish.
If you don't have time to tap it down, then you can push it, which means that the shuttle will still fly downwards but at a flatter angle. Then just below the net, you would either hit a net shot
Unbelievable net.
or you could even punch lift or flick lift it. People call it different things, but basically it's like a fast lift.
In the defensive stance.
yes.
And then in the below the net area is where you would do a lift shot. Next is the mid-court area. If you and your partner are in a defense position, which means that you're standing side by side, then you would either drive the shuttle back, which makes the shuttle fly really fast and flat,
and this is where the Chinese pair, they got to take them.
or you would do a defense lift to make the shuttle fly up. But if the shuttle's flying too fast for you, then usually you would end up doing a block shot, which sort of just lightly hits the shuttle across the net.
Amazing.
But if you and your partner are in a position of attack, which means that you're at the front and your partner's at the back, then that means that you can attack from the mid-court, which basically means that you try to hit the shuttle down. Lastly, we've got the back court. The three basic shots from the back court are first a smash shot, which hits the shuttle downwards really fast. A smash shot will land in the opponent's mid-court or back court area. Or a drop shot, which still hits the shuttle fast but hits it lightly just going over the net. A drop shot will land in the front court area, but of course it's best to keep it as tight as you can to the net. And then a clear shot basically just punches the shuttle really high and to the back of the opponent's court. So honestly, it feels like there's actually so many different types of shots, and each of these shots already have variations like cross net, cross drop, a fast drop, a slice drop. There's so many different ways to hit the shuttle, and how you play usually depends on what you think your strengths are and what you think is going to help you win. I know that people think it's impressive to be able to do really tricky shots, but for me, I think the best way to improve is to strengthen your foundation. And it takes a lot of time, practice, and playing lots of different games to be able to build up these skills. So those are all the basic types of shots you can hit in badminton. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to like and comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
I'm better, and I like it better. Better than the girl that was perfect. I'm better, and I like it better. Better than that perfect girl. Looking at her round face, brown hair, yeah.